Good afternoon, everyone. It's Paul for Prestige Binary Options, and welcome to another Maximus Edge Autobot update. Today is the 26th of September, 2017. It is a Tuesday, and we are back to do another live trading session using this software. Earlier this morning, we actually posted this video where we went over some of my live trades just by using the automated feature provided by the software, and the results were absolutely fantastic, guys. In this video, we did a total of, I think it was like 12 trades. And from these 12 trades, we only lost 2 of them. I mean, this was by far one of the best trading sessions I've had since I've been using Maximus Edge Autobot. So if you haven't seen that video, guys, I definitely recommend that you check it out, and I'll leave the link below in the video description. However, in that video, guys, I also promised you that I will return today, and we're going to be doing manual trading using Maximus Edge Autobot. So that's what we're going to be doing in this video. So you're going to see me live following the signals provided by Maximus Edge, and we're going to be manually placing them directly onto our broker. So before we get started, guys, don't forget to like our videos and be sure to subscribe to our channel. That way you don't miss out on any of our future updates, and be sure to check out any and all information located down below in our video descriptions. That way you can click the links and learn more about Maximus Edge, as well as links to our previous videos. So like I said, guys, earlier today we did some auto trading just by following the signals and clicking the trade button. When you click the trade buttons within Maximus Edge Autobot, they are automatically placed directly onto your broker. But yesterday we also posted this video where it was the very first time that we did manual trading by following the signals as well. And the reason why that you're able to do both auto trading and manual trading is because within the signals, guys, the software gives us almost everything that we need. We have the targeted currency pair. We have the targeted direction of whether we want to place a call or a put. So all we have to do is just figure out the expiration times. Now, from last night's trading session when we did manual trading, we targeted anywhere between 15 to 30-minute trades depending on what's available in our broker. And the reason why we did this, guys, is because when it comes to the auto trading features, that is mainly the time frames that are targeted by the software automatically. So we figured that we would just follow the habits by the Maximus Autobot app. So I'm actually really excited to test this out for the second time, guys, because like I said, I mean, this morning we had amazing results. If we scroll down below here to the bottom of the app and we go to our closed trades, as you can see, we did a total of 6 trades over here where we won 4 of them and only lost 2. But if we go to page 2, we actually won 6 trades in a row. So that's what I mean, that we did a total of 12 trades and we only lost 2 of them. I mean, these results were awesome, and we made about what was it, like $146 in profits just this morning using the automated feature. But I'm going to show you guys how to manually trade following these signals. Now, what's also really cool, especially if you haven't seen my last manual trading video, is that Maximus Edge Autobot also provides you with the chart. Now, a chart here, you can actually type in on the top left-hand corner whichever asset you want to look at. And this gives you a live visual as to what's happening within the specific currency pair that you are looking at. So let's do a first trade to give you guys an example of what we're going to be doing. So first signal that we have here, guys, is USD/JPY for a call trade. Now, the reason why I say it's great that you use this chart is because, as you can see, we have an uptrend happening with the price. The price is steadily going up, and just as predicted by Maximus Edge Autobot, it is telling us to place a call trade. So what we're going to do is follow these steps. We're going to go to our broker here and target the USD/JPY. Now, our nearest expiration available is at 20 GMT, which is in about 15 minutes from now. So we're going to just simply place a call trade. Approve it. And that's it, guys. That's all there is to it. That is how I've been manually trading with Maximus Edge. Again, this is my second time using it, and so far it's done pretty well. So let's follow the same steps with the next signal. Here we have the Australian dollar versus the USD, again, for a call trade. Now, we can also, again, go to our charts here. To change it, just type in AUD, USD. Now, if we look here at the 1-minute and 30-minute window, now we do see that we do have a steady decline, a downward trend happening within the AUD USD. But according to Maximus Edge, I mean, they are telling us to place a call. So honestly, this is a little bit of a questionable trade, but what I'm hoping is that Maximus Edge is predicting a reversal in price. So I'm just going to stick with what Maximus Edge is telling us. We're going to go to our broker here, find the Australian dollar versus the USD, and we will do a call trade for this currency pair. Let's cross our fingers, guys. I mean, like I said, with the graph, we do have that steady downtrend. But like I said, guys, I'm just going to stick and follow with what Maximus Edge Autobot is telling us. But it's great to use that chart as an added confirmation. All right, next one we have here, guys, is the Euro JPY. So let's actually get that ready here in our broker, Euro JPY. And in this case, we are going for a put position. So let's go here to our charts. Euro JPY. Oh man, I can't type today. All right, here we go. Euro JPY. All right, let's see what we got here. Sorry, so this is some really, really choppy activity. So there's really no clear indication of any specific trend. There's no way of telling if the price is going up. It's more of a neutral going sideways type direction. But again, we are going to follow what they say. And with the Euro JPY, let's place a put position. So make sure that our, all right, 20 GMT, and let's go for a put. Approve. All right, next one. Euro USD. So let's get that ready here in our broker. Euro USD. All right, so just from this chart, as you can see, it is going down. Let's actually confirm here. Euro USD. Okay, I like this. This is a good confirmation here, guys. As you can see, we have a steady downward trend. The price is in a downward slope, meaning that the price is steadily going down, just like Maximus Edge is telling us to place a put trade. So let's go to our broker here, and let's enter a put position for the Euro USD and approve. All right, next one we have USD CHF for a call. So let's get that ready here. USD CHF. All right. Go back to our charts. USD CHF. All right, we got some choppy activity here. All right. Okay. So looking at it throughout the entire day, guys, from the past 12 hours, the USD CHF did have a big spike where the price jumped up. It has some ups and downs here, but hopefully with this activity and this pattern, it has gone down. So hopefully there will be a reversal. So hopefully Maximus Edge Autobot is correct for the call position for the USD CHF. So let's give that a call and enter it. Let's approve that trade. Perfect. All right, and I think we have one more trade available. Yeah, we have the GBP JPY again for a put position. So GBP JPY. Oh, wrong one. That's not what I wanted. Here we go. GBP JPY. Alrighty. And what was this for? This is for a put position. All right, GBP JPY. There it is. Okay, so, all right, so it has reached a high point over here, guys, but from the past few hours, the price is steadily going down. Let's look at it from a 30-minute window. Again, high point over here, but now the price has dropped over here, so it is dropping down. And let's look at it from a all right, now looking at it from a 1-minute chart, it's just too choppy. But from the other charts, we do confirm that price has dropped significantly. So let's follow this again for a put position. And this again will also expire at 20 GMT. All right. Alrighty, so we have a total of 6 trades open, guys. So we have about 10-15 minutes until these trades will expire. So what we're going to do is just quickly pause this video, guys, and then we'll wait for the time to pass, and then we will come back within Maximus Edge Autobot, and we will take a look at the results within Maximus Edge Autobot in our connected broker and see how well these trades done. Again, this is my second time manually trading with Maximus Edge Autobot, so I'm hoping that we do have a profitable trading session as we did last night, but we will wait and see. So stay tuned, guys. Don't go anywhere, and we'll be right back. Okay guys, we are back, so let's log back into Maximus Edge and let's take a look at the results. Now, first thing I always do guys is whenever I'm checking my results, I always check my balance first. It's just a force of habit, just to see if my balance has gone up or down. Obviously, if your balance does go up, that clearly indicates that you've had a profitable trading session. Now, when you're using Maximus Edge Autobot, you can look at your latest trading results under the closed section. And over here, we can see those 6 trades that we had just manually placed right here on this video. And the results actually turned out very well. We have a total of 6 trades here, and we have 1 loss, which was the Euro USD. Now, I don't remember which trade it was where we were looking at the charts and we saw that the price of the asset was going in an opposite direction of what Maximus Edge was telling us. I'm not sure if that was the Euro USD. If it was, then clearly we lost that trade, of course. But if not, then, whatever. But it doesn't really matter, guys, because we have a total of 5 wins and only 1 loss, which is a great turnout. I also noticed that if you pay attention to the entry and expiration rates, actually, you know what? Let's actually go into our broker, guys, because this is a little too hard to see. Let's go here and get a closer look. Okay, so here we have our 6 trades, but just looking at the entry and expiration rates, some of these trades, actually came very close, and it is because it is late at night. We are trading, it is after 20 GMT. So, markets are a little bit slower at this hour. So, for instance, we do have the GBP JPY for a winning trade entering at 984, but closing at 982 for a put position. So, we only won that trade by 2 little pips. Let's see, another example would be this one over here, the Euro JPY. We entered at 358 for a put, closed at 353 for a winning trade. So only by 5 pips there. So as you can see, because markets are a little bit slow at this hour, you don't really get such a wide pip spread for a lot of these trades. But nevertheless, guys, it doesn't matter if you win, by 100 pips or, just 1 tiny pip. As long as you are correct in your designated direction for a call or put trade, then you will make that profit. So a great turnout, guys. From these results, 1 loss and 5 wins, we made a total profit of $73.25. And mind you, that this is only with 20 to 30 minutes of trading using the software by manually placing them on our broker. Now, what I recommend that you do, guys, is if you are using, if you want to use, the manual strategy and follow these signals as I just showed you, what I recommend that you do, guys, is actually use a demo account. If your broker provides a demo, use that demo so that way you can use it for practice, because again, manual trading is something that I've only been doing with Maximus Edge Autobot for the 2nd time. It's been working out very well for the past couple of days, but what I just recommend is that you practice, use a demo, or if you don't even have a demo, just write them down on a piece of paper. That way you can practice with these manual trading signals without actually risking your account. And by doing so, you can actually play around with the expiration times, play around with 15-minute expirations or longer, like 30 minutes or even an hour trade. Hey, if you want to go crazy, try turbo trading as well, but you can do this and practice with them by writing them down on a piece of paper or using a demo, which will protect you from any unnecessary losses until you get a certain strategy in motion and see which best suits your needs. Now, of course, guys, if manual trading does seem a little complex, checking the signals, checking the charts, and then going back and forth between your broker, if that seems a little too complex for you, don't forget that Maximus Edge Autobot is first and foremost an automated trading software. You put in the dollar amount that you want for that specific trade, and you just simply click the trade button. And what that does is it initiates the trade directly onto your broker automatically. So it's minimal effort, but also very, very effective. Like I showed you before, guys, if we go down below here, these are the 6 trades that we had just placed, made a great profit of $73. But earlier this morning, we placed an additional 6 trades, again with 2 losses and 4 wins. And then again, earlier this morning, we placed another 6 trades, and we had 6 winning trades in a row. So between the 6 trades that we had just placed just now manually trading and the 12 trades from earlier this morning when we posted this video, we made $73 just now plus $146.25 from these trades earlier this morning, gave us a grand total profit of $219.50 in 1 day of using the software. Now, if you had seen my previous video where we did the automated automated signals. These were all trades just by clicking the trade button. This was a trading session which lasted under 1 hour. And then the 6 trades that we had done just now, manually trading, that lasted less than 20 or 30 minutes. So under 2 hours, guys, of using Maximus Edge Autobot, we made over $200 in profit. So very, very exciting and one hell of a profitable day using this software. So if you are interested, guys, definitely check out all the information below. You can click the link and get your own free copy and start profiting with Maximus Edge Autobot today. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment on my videos or email me directly at prestigeboundary@gmail.com. And don't forget, guys, to like our videos and be sure to subscribe to our channel, because we're going to be posting, daily updates regarding auto trading and manual trading. So I will keep you guys informed on daily events, so you definitely don't want to miss out. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed my second manual trading update using Maximus Edge Autobot. Have a great night, and I'll see you tomorrow.